International agencies join to assist Palau. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, or IFRC, partnered with the World Food Programme's, or WFP's, air service to deliver relief supplies to typhoon-stricken Palau. This included family kits donated by the Australian government and $100,000 worth of materials by the United States Agency for International Development, or USAID. The first relief flight, for example, carried 150 kitchen sets, plus hundreds of buckets, blankets, and jerrycans, which were distributed across the islands by the Palau Red Cross. Australia is a recipient of 5 Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion and Shining World Leadership Awards for Protection and Good Governance, as well as a laureate of 3 Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion and Shining World Leadership Awards for Caring, Good Governance, Health Guardian, and High Moral Value. Our hearts go out to the people of Palau as we thank Australia, IFRC, USAID, and WFP for your support. May such disasters become a thing of the past as we become responsible vegan guardians of our planet in heaven's benevolence.
Indian researchers discover COVID-19 mutations that could possibly evade immune response. The Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genetics Consortium of scientific advisors have discovered some mutations in COVID-19 that may escape humans' immune system. Although it is yet to be seen if they are dangerous, the scientists suggested that close tracking of the virus would be required. India recently reported over 400,000 new cases of COVID in one day, and their health system has not been able to cope with the huge amount of hospitalizations. Thank you, Indian SARS-CoV-2 Genetics Consortium, for keeping a watchful eye on the COVID-19 situation in your nation. We pray for a swift end to the global pandemic as humans choose the preventative diet of plants in celestial wisdom.
Recently discovered letter from Dr. Albert Einstein discusses unknown senses in birds. A new found letter from the renowned German-born vegetarian physicist has revealed that he thought in the future we may discover a new kind of sensory perception in animals. The letter spoke of the ability of bees and also birds, stating, "It is thinkable that the investigation of the behavior of migratory birds and carrier pigeons may someday lead to the understanding of some physical process which is not yet known." Just recently, scientists discovered that birds do indeed possess a previously unknown physical sense, which allows them to use the Earth's magnetic field lines to migrate thousands of kilometers and reach very specific destinations. Such fascinating news! With thanks to the researchers, we also appreciate all that Dr. Albert Einstein has done for the betterment of humanity. May brilliant research continue to help us understand and appreciate the wonders of all divine animal beings around us.
Entrepreneur highlights future of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Dr. Lubna Buarfa, who is the founder and CEO of Okra, an artificial intelligence or AI company for healthcare based in the United Kingdom, has highlighted the immense benefits the technology could have in this sector. Dr. Buarfa noted in an interview with Euronews that someday it could be possible to scan a person's genes at birth and search for any abnormalities. If any were found, recommendations would then be provided. Doctors could also use AI to search for the best possible treatments using software that could be trained to analyze large-scale medical data from patients. Thank you, Dr. Lubna Buarfa, for helping to chart the path forward towards better health through technology. In heaven's love, may everyone live vibrant lives with a nutritious vegan diet for a radiant future.
Delivery driver races to haul a gigantic package off a 4-year-old child. Marco Angel, a delivery driver in Oak Park, Illinois, United States, had just recently delivered a parcel to a residence, ringing the doorbell to alert the family. 4-year-old Max Pratt opened the door and came to retrieve the parcel, as he usually did. However, the 44-kilogram package fell on Max when he tried to move it. Hearing the boy call for help, Marco Angel immediately sprinted from across the street without even looking for traffic and freed the boy from the weight of the box. Luckily, Max was uninjured. The doorbell camera filmed the heroic incident,
and the grateful parents were able to thank Mr. Angel later via an online meeting arranged by a local television station. Ascend innovation, Marco Angel.
For your quick action. In God's light, may we all selflessly aid the precious children and others in vulnerable situations.
French startup's advertisement urges people to quit eating meat. The plant-based food company Harry & Co., which offers an assortment of vegan burgers, meatballs, and organic super soups, recently started a campaign on social networks to influence French citizens to reduce their meat consumption. They have created the slogan, "Meat for the planet, I am putting the brakes on." Co-founder of Harry & Co., Emmanuel Brière, explained, with 86 kilograms of meat consumed on average per French person per year, our society is still addicted to meat products. Reducing meat consumption is the first simple thing we can do to limit our impact on the environment. The campaign aims to raise awareness not only among the public, but also politicians. Currently, Harry & Co.'s products are available in supermarkets, school canteens, and university eateries. Many thanks, Harry & Co., for your noble efforts. May everyone turn towards the compassionate vegan diet to save our planet in the grace of the Providence.
Beloved therapy dog receives heartwarming retirement party. For more than 8 years, Tassie, a 12-year-old therapy dog, accompanied her caregiver Jerry Acevedo to the Doctors Medical Center of Modesto, California, United States. Tassie's sweet nature brought plenty of joy and comfort for many people as the couple made their rounds. Recently, the loving canine finally retired with a party in her honor. On Tassie's last day at work, the medical staff celebrated her dedicated service with a Code Sun celebratory walk, where the staff lined up the hallways, cheered and clapped as Tassie and Jerry walked by. Kind Tassie also welcomed fellow therapy dog Bria, who has since taken over the duties. Thank you, sweet Tassie and Bria, for bringing a smile to those who need it. May you both have many more delightful years ahead as you bless our world with your presence and divine upliftment.